Hello students, welcome to this video lecture. In this video lecture, we'll learn the steps of mushroom cultivation. Mushroom cultivation is your syllabus for Sec 1 in semester 3. So let us study what are the different steps of mushroom cultivation. In mushroom cultivation, first step is preparation of culture media. So we usually prepare PDA medium, that is potato distros agar medium. So you can see the composition of different ingredients for this culture media. We take potato tuber, distros agar, peptone distilled water, HCl, NaOS, and pH is 5.6. We prepare this culture media and we do uh, tissue culture. Okay. So when we prepare this culture media and we sterilize, we autoclave, and we pour into clean test tubes and prepare media slants where we'll do tissue culture or mycelia culture. Okay. Then we take fresh mushrooms from the field and we take dikaryotic hyphae in the lamina echo chamber. You can see from which portion the dikaryotic hyphae is being taken out. We take out with the help of clean, sterilized needle, dikaryotic hyphae, and we put this dikaryotic hyphae in the uh, media slant prepared, and then we incubate. We keep this one in the incubator for mycelia growth. You can see mycelia growth in the test tube. You can see the white mycelium which is growing, and to multiply this mycelia which we have obtained as a pure culture for, uh, for mushroom cultivation, because we need a large amount of mycelia. We use wheat grain. So we take wheat grain, we boil, sterilize, and put in the slime bottle, or also in the plastic bag you can use if it is the heat level uh, plastics. Then we add here calcium carbonate gypsum to maintain our pH, particular pH, and with uh, grains, wheat grains may not stick to each other. That's why we add calcium carbonate and gypsum. And in these bottles, we transfer the mycelia which is flowing in the agar slant, PDA slants. Okay. Here you can see in the bottles which contain boiled sterilized wheat grains, the culture media which pure culture which we had obtained from the fresh mushrooms in the agar in the PDS lands are transferred into these bottles so that there is growth of mycelia which we can be used for mushroom cultivation. Okay, here you can see the fully grown mycelium is ready for mushroom cultivation. So this is we call spawn of the mushroom. Here you can see that spawn of Dermatomyces, Geostem, Lycopodon. Okay, then we use this spawn for uh, mushroom cultivation. So depend which type of mushroom we are using, whether it is a button mushroom or some special mushroom, because based on that we have to use substratum. So here in this slide you can see the oyster mushroom is being grown, and for this substratum has been used, that is straw. Straw is sterilized and put in the polythene bag, and spawning was done. Then within 15 days the mushroom appears. First small bud-like structure will appear, then within 1 or 2 days this small bud-like structure grows into a full mature fruiting bodies of mushrooms. Okay. Here also you can see how mushroom is growing. This mushroom is oyster mushroom, Pleurotus florida. Okay. Here you can see the fully grown mushroom, which is ready for uh, like, for harvesting. You can see here how beautiful it looks. So mushrooms are very nutritive because they contain high amount of protein, and protein is required for us to be healthy, especially not to get sick. We need protein in our diet. So thank you very much.